Right, good. We're going to get to this outside lane. Excellent. Oh, it's fine. We've got through the lights. No problem. We'll just keep going. Carry on. What's happening? Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Here's another mock test video, and you're going to see 6 faults in this one. So let's jump into the first one. The sat-nav is on. So they're following the road ahead. They're going to come to some traffic lights, and they've been asked on the sat-nav to turn left at the lights. I think from here it says about 300 yards turn left. However, this learner got a little bit confused with that instruction, and they decide to come in here. So all I says to them was, figure out a way of getting yourself back on track, and they did that. It was a little bit clumsy, a little bit awkward, but they did manage to do this bit on their own without me guiding them, which is good. It's always important to point out the things that work quite well. And oh, who's this? Hello, John. Alright, on to fault number 2. This was just a pull up on the left in a normal place, a safe place. They actually had a nice position, but then they tried to keep rolling it forward and they were going in. They weren't quite parallel, and I had to stop them before they hit the curb. Remember, examiners won't stop this. Okay, fault number 3. This is coming down from the big roundabout to the train station roundabout. Sinclair down to Bothwell. We're turning right down here. They've got that instruction already. Really, when you get down to this section of the road, you can think about making your move. Here would be a good time to get into that right hand lane, but they don't. They wait. And they wait. And they wait. Still in the mirror, safe, they've got a chance. See, I think they've done this. They do get over here, but I think they've left this quite late because they're maybe a little bit worried about spending too long in the right lane, which is true. You can get done for that, as you might see later on in this clip. But with that one, I would have got over just a little bit sooner because it was starting to get a little bit busy at the back. So they managed to come onto the roundabout, and they quite correctly push the car out. Nice checks as they're doing this, and they just get through these lights. No real issue with that. But look what happens here. They see that red light up there, and they think it's for them, and they come to a stop. Now there's people at the back. I had to say to them, get going. That light absolutely does not mean stop at that point on the roundabout. Right, here we go. Fault number 5. The old classic early signal. Turning right at the lights. And there's the signal. But look, there's a little car park on the right here. We've seen this one about 3 million times, so just try and keep that in mind. Fault number 6. Now, I've got a separate video showing this from the drone footage. I'll link that, check it out. The instruction here was to follow signs for Kirkcaldy A907. One lane at the moment. Splits into 3. The markings are pretty faded on the roads. This is how, if you go back in time, about 10 years ago almost, this is how it used to look. So you can see middle and right lane for A907, and look which lane they choose. So confirmation there, A907 on the board. We have landed in the right hand lane of the 2 A907 lanes. So technically speaking, nothing wrong just yet, because you can use this for a bit of overtaking, but you shouldn't use it for what we call normal driving. Again, just shown on the screen there, the 2 lanes. This is a section of road where they could have tried to come back over to the left lane, but they didn't. They've spent the whole time quite content in this lane, and that is what they've been marked for. Again, still at the moment in the right version of the 2 lanes. So this fault is for doing what they call normal driving, not in the left hand lane. So here's a summary of the faults. This is our take on how we think they would be marked. Tell us, do you agree? Do you disagree? Has this happened to you? Let us know in the comments. Give us a like, give us a share, and I hope it's been helpful. Catch you next time.